Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Come from Polar Sleep. This is the XPA2 Queen 3 2-inch memory foam topper. We're going to do the unboxing here and go to the spare bedroom where I got my other queen size beds. Here we go. Let's see how this looks inside. All the goodies that come with it. And all that good stuff, guys. But hopefully you guys are alright so far. It's been an interesting year, that is for sure. We'll see what this thing looks like. There we go. Another cut here. Yeah. Cut there and a cut there. There we go. Alright. Wait. This is a big boy. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Backwards. I don't think it matters which way right now, but once we put it on the bed, it'll probably definitely matter. I know which side is which. We got the scissors again. Just make sure when you open the plastic, you don't cut the mattress. So let's take a slice out of it. There we go. Should be good. It'll be alright. I know this is going to expand, so we're going to cut it in a few seconds and hop over to the room. It's going to be too big for this table, that's for sure. Oh, there we go. Part one is out of the way. See, this is where, yeah, I'm going to have to go. There we go. Into the other room. I want to show you guys that they did send it. This is what it looks like out of the box. So, it might fit on the bed. Maybe not. Oh. There we go. So this is a queen. Once I cut it open, it's gonna do. I'll do it here. I got time to kill today. Nothing going on this weekend, that's for sure. What? Come on. So in case you have guests over and stuff like that, this would be perfect for if I get guest room. So you don't have to worry about your other topper getting damaged. Just put it right over it. And everything will be alright. So that should be a good cut right there. At least to get this open. Yeah, it's snowing by us right now. Let's see if you could tell. Yeah, we got little flakes right down there. Nasty out. Yep, definitely good time to take the naps. Rest a little bit, recharged up, hopefully for the summer, everything will be alright. Yeah, I'm going to go in the other room with this thing because it's too heavy. Too heavy. Alright, be back. Alright, YouTubers, we are back in the spare bedroom. Here she is. Really cool color. There's the bottom, or I'm not sure if that's the bottom, or this is the top. But this is what it looks like on a queen size. Memory foam. It is soft. So like I said, just put a sheet over it on your queen size, and then you're good to go. So here's the other products they have to offer. With the pillows, memory foam pillows. I've already got a couple right there. And then they got those also. The contour. And for the neck pain. But this is a 2-inch memory foam topper. Right there. Queen size. Alright, YouTubers. You guys have a good weekend. be safe and stay at home.